mathematics, linear equations. Here we'll find out the relation between time, speed and distance. Earlier we have discussed about it. Distance is equals to speed into time. In short form we have written small l, small s and small t. Time is equals to distance by speed. This is the standard formula we have learnt in previous classes. Let us take one of the situation. There are two objects. Object 1 object 2. Let us take this is the object, this is one of the object and this is second object, and this is the place A and place B. There are 2 points, point A and point B. This is one of the place and second place, and there are 2 objects. Let us take that object as one car, and this is one more car. 2 cars. There are 2 cars. If these 2 objects, these 2 cars are traveling in opposite direction, they are traveling in opposite direction, and they have the speeds. First car speed is 10 kilometers per hour, and the second car speed is 20 kilometers per hour. And distance between these 2 points is 100 kilometers. Let us recall again. There are 2 points A and B, and it is a car. The 2 cars are starting from these 2 points. They are traveling in opposite direction. They started from here. The car one, first car it started from point A, and second car started from the point B. The speed of first car is 10 km per hour and speed of second car is 20 km per hour, and the distance between point A and B is 100 km. So we need to find out at what point of time these 2 cars will meet together, they cross each other. We need to find out at what point of time these 2 cars will meet, they cross each other. If they started from point A and point B at the same time. Let us recall again at what point of time these 2 cars meet each other when they start from point A and point B at the same time with the speed of 10 km per hour and 20 km per hour respectively. So we know the formula, standard formula. Time is equals to distance by speed. So here we have 2 speeds, the speed of object 1 and speed of object 2, speed of first car and speed of second car. So distance is 100 kilometers and the speed is, there are 2 speeds, first and second speed. So speed of first car and speed of second car. So we need to find out the sum of the speeds of these 2 cars when they are traveling opposite direction with the different speeds or same speeds. They started from the different points and at the same time. So the time is equals to distance by sum of the speeds. So 100 by point A, this car A started, car 1 is started with 10 km per hour. So 10 plus speed 1 is 10 and speed 2, second car speed is 20. So let us simplify this. When we simplify this 200 by this 30, so cancellation will be getting 10 by 3. After 10 by 3 hours, the 2 cars are meeting at one point. After, if the 2 cars are started from a point A and point B respectively with this here 10 kilometers per hour and 20 kilometers per hour respectively. So here we have observed time is equals to distance by sum of the speeds when two cars are traveling in opposite direction. This car is started from point A and this car is started from point B with the speed of 10 kilometers and 20 kilometers respectively. So here when they meet each other is distance by sum of the speeds. 100 by 10 plus 20, that is 100 by 30, 0 0 get cancelled, and 10 by 3 hours the two cars are meeting. Now let us see if they travel in the same direction. Two cars are traveling in same direction. First car started from point A, the second car also started from the point B. They started at the same time. Two cars are started from, first car is started from point A and second car is started from point B at the same time. They travel in the same direction. Then when they meet each other is distance by difference between the speeds, S1 minus S2, that is highest speed minus lowest speed, difference of the speeds, distance by difference of the speeds. So distance is 100 kilometers and here the greatest distance is here, the highest distance is 20 kilometers per hour. So 20 minus, and here 10 kilometers per hour, that is 100 by 10. So 0 0 get cancelled. Here 10 at 10 hours the two cars are meeting each other. After 10 hours these two cars are meeting each other at the same point of the point. So time is equals to distance by difference of the speeds. So here they travel in the same direction. They started from the point A and point B. The formula is time is equals to distance by difference of the speeds, S1 minus S2.